This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 5: Steering and Sustaining a Conversation. In this session, we discuss conversation which involves speaking and listening, considering the environment, non-verbal communication, and other aspects like the importance of silence, illustrated with an interesting graph. Interactions involve mutual participation and contribution from both parties, where we adapt our masks, contexts, and communication styles during conversations, role-playing to experience challenges like lack of visual cues over phone calls, and acting uninterested to understand the importance of attentiveness signals. Silence allows comprehension, creates space and signifies understanding, contributing meaningfully to conversations by making points impactful, and can be utilized tactically in various ways beyond expressing anger. Graphs depict cultural differences in conversational styles, with the American style showing no silence between speakers, the Japanese style with pauses and silences, and the Indian style with overlapping, simultaneous speech. Cultural context is highlighted as important in conversations, which often involve two or more people communicating, as illustrated by an anecdote about meeting an elderly friend after 8 years, demonstrating the need for listening to tone, language, and showing interest, while speaking style conveys politeness, concern and understanding, with body language being another crucial process. Body postures communicate attitudes like arrogance or submission via stance. Gestures like pointing and hand movements convey meaning and control. Facial expressions significantly communicate emotions and intent. Humans have strong territorial boundaries like accessing personal space or items, and context greatly influences conversations, including environment, semantics, and emotions. Our behavior and roles change as we wear different masks, interacting differently with different people in different situations, making it important to understand and behave appropriately in conversations, with our behavior, language, and body language changing accordingly, and felt sense helping in breaking individual habits. While communication involves more than verbal cues, requiring sensitivity for nonverbal aspects. Role-playing different scenarios can develop communication skills over the phone, and strategies for face-to-face and phone conversations can differ significantly, as conversations involve adapting roles and styles based on context. Cultural norms influence conversational styles and expectations. Silence can strategically create pause for emphasis or reflection. Roles and masks adapt based on context, impacting conversations. Non-verbal cues like posture and tone convey implicit meanings. Mutual empathy and understanding enable meaningful conversations, and adapting communication styles is necessary for phone versus in-person talks. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.